Good morning, children. Continuing to the last video, as we are revising the chapter Internet Surfing, today I am going to revise few topics on Internet Surfing. Like cloud storage. Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that stores data on the Internet through a cloud computing provider who manages and operates data storage as a service. This gives you agility, global scale, and durability with anytime, anywhere data access. Cloud storage involves at least one data server that user connects to via the internet. The user sends files manually or in an automated fashion over the internet to the data server, which forwards the information to multiple servers. The stored data is then accessible through a web-based interface. Means cloud storage basically a space where we can store our data and we can save the memory of our computer or laptop or mobile. Google Drive is also an online space where we can save our files. To use the Google Drive, first go to drive.google.com on your computer. Upload or create files. You can upload files from your computer or create files in Google Drive. Then share and organize the files. Now the question is why we will use this Google Drive? To back up our precious file? To send large files to family, friends and co-workers? Use Google Drive app to access documents? Efficient built-in search engine? Optical character recognition feature, share photos and videos with your contacts, open and edit various kinds of documents. You can upload file to Google Drive in the following steps. Next is e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce or internet commerce. Refers to the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet and the transfer of money and data to execute this transaction. Means through e-commerce we can buy or sell products or service over the internet. There are many apps through which we can do this buying and selling thing, like Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, Snapdeal, Zivame. When you are buying or selling any product, you have to be very careful during the payment. As you are doing the online payment, it should be very secure and safe. The trash folder is where any emails you have deleted or which have been automatically deleted are sent. Means trash is a folder where all the deleted files are residing. The trash folder will empty every time you log out the message center, and all the message will be permanently deleted. Now, what is spam? Spam is any kind of unwanted, unsolicited digital communication, often an email, that gets sent out in bulk. Spam is a huge waste of time and resources. The internet service providers carry and store the data. Spamming is the use of messaging system to send the unsolicited message to large numbers of recipients for the purpose of commercial advertising, for the purpose of non-commercial proselytizing, or for any prohibited purpose. Still, we are having few topics to discuss on internet service, which we will discuss in next video. Thank you.